Hello everyone. If you want to protect your data, imagine network that is decentralized AI platform that will protect your data and you will be happy in your life. And there is Imagine AI. You can get new portraits on the Imagine AI working artificial intelligence on the blockchain technology and allowing the user to generate manage AI powered content that is just less transparent censorship resistance environment. You can search what you need by leveraging decentralized infrastructure. Imagine network eliminate the need of decentralized and AI services, giving user complete control over their AI generated asset. They can either use for their commercial use. They can either create your NFTs, any portraits, either they want to share with other fans like bikes, any meetings, videos, text to video. Everything can be created. So be ready to join in the Imagine AI network. Guys, you can also buy their token that have been listed already on the trusted exchange Maxi, and there is a recently price that has been increased within last 24 or near about a 0.4% price as compared to previous, and there is a recently price 0.01983, and there is also recently you can also buy on their official Maxi where token have been listed. You can buy or sell both. Operation can be performed in a safe and transparent way. You can also check there is also AI generated images. You can also create high quality AI powered images using the state of the art model like DAL A. There is also, if you come on the home interface, then there is also search option. How these portraits have been already created, these are the fun and creativity you can perform according to your own thoughts and what you imagine, what you want to create. Just put your words and that will be converted into video. Other there will be product in like shape of picture. Imagine AI basically interact with NFTs, decentralized applications, DApps, smart contract, allowing AI model to function seamlessly within multiple blockchain ecosystem. Yes, image token that is going to be used. This token can be used in the membership wise. There you can also get the image token on the Maxi to buy, sell, and you can start trading. And if you want to create the images, you have to write here the description. Like if I want to get as there is a person like a YouTuber, here I have given some situations and what I feel, and I can also click on the generate using the DAL A, and there you can also use different engines wise tools, and within 5 to 10 seconds the images will be created. If you want to customize and you want to get some changes into the picture, then there will be a complete information. So there now you can check out easily. There is a person and making presentation written loves, and here is also many other options too. So in this way you can also generate, there are many images you can create your one. You can also subscribe. There are also prices, like there is standard, there is premium, there is enterprise. For these purchasing, you can click on the purchase and your wallet will be connected. Like here you can use different payment method too, and you can also get their token for these purpose. And now you can also follow them on their official Twitter, Telegram, where people already is going to follow for upcoming details. And this is the time to protect your data and AI images. The future of AI is decentralized image network that are redefining AI driven content creation by integrating artificial intelligence with the blockchain technology as concerned. Our privacy, ownership, and centralization grow. Decentralized AI ensure transparency, security on your AI build, create, and decentralize with Imagine Network. Thanks for watching. See you soon in next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.